Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Dang Surya binti Rozani. Today I would like to present about Bentik Community Assemblies in UMT Breakwater. First of all, let me explain about my introduction in more details. Problem statement. Since the breakwater construction incident, water pollution in the area has also been affected, and this could also affect the marine ecosystem in this area. This breakwater problem can not only cause the area around the beach, but also damage the nature of the community around the beach. First objective, to determine biodiversity and composition of bentic community in UMT Breakwater. Second, to determine relationship between bentos and sediment characteristic. For literature review, just focus on importance of bentos in ecosystem, diversity of bentos as ecological indicator, human impact, bentos in marine ecosystem and bentos and its diversity. Let me explain in more detail about methodology, result, discussion and conclusion. As you can see the location of sampling area, the sampling was carried out in October and November 2019. The study just focused on two breakwater, which is breakwater A and breakwater B. Physical chemical parameter. Temperature, salinity, DO, turbidity and pH was collected by using YSI multiparameter. Second, sample collection and process identification. Samples are collected by using Van Graaff. The bentos were identified under the certain microscope and organisms identified to the lowest taxonomic key. Third, analysis of bentic community assemblies. The Simpson index diversity, the biodiversity was determined. Next, D is formula to calculate Simpson index diversity. D is formula to calculate evenness and channel window index diversity. For total organic matter, D is formula was used to calculate organic content. Particle size analysis. The size of sieve used such as 2.0 mm, 0.25 micrometer, 0.125 micrometer and 0.063 micrometer. For statistical analysis, a non-parametric test was used, which is Kuska-Wallis test. Next, for result, you can see the result of psychochemical parameters in the table. Next, this is the graph of organic content and the graph of particle size. For Simpson index diversity and channel window index, the station 2 has higher compared to another station. For evenness, you can see station 2 and station 6 show are more stable. Discussion. The highest temperature is at station 6. This is because drastic temperature change can be fatal to aquatic organisms. Water temperature plays an important role in controlling all chemical reactions, as well as affecting the growth, reproduction, and even aquatic immunity. Dissolved oxygen, water depth, and salinity. Station 2 and Station 5 had the lowest dissolved oxygen values compared to other stations. The lack of dissolved oxygen at Station 2 and Station 5 is due to the decomposition of organic matter by bacteria in water that use oxygen in the metabolism of these materials. Organic content in sediment. Percentage of total organic matter at Station 5 was lower than other stations due to eutrophication and mineralization. Eutrophication is an increase in the rate of organic matter production in an ecosystem. Eutrophication is caused by excess nutrient. Relationship between abundance of bentos and particle size. According to Hotori, show the bentic community may change over time influenced by the response to change in particle size or sediment. Thus, change in bentic community are a reflection of particle size. The graph shows that the maximum particle size content for all stations is at mass size 250 micrometer, which is medium sand. This is because the increase in particle size percentage shows a decrease in number of surface-dwelling species in the surface and subsurface. Next, diversity, abundance, and community structure. The factors that influence the abundance, diversity, and richness of bentos are the location, year of acquisition, season of sampling, or the timing of sampling in relation to the state of seawater. This is because the total abundance and richness in Station 5 is lower than the others because the sample was taken during the monsoon season, where the sample was taken during very strong wave and seawater and the area was not protected by breakwater. Biodiversity of benthos. Discuss higher diversity in Station 2 because of higher water level in Station 2. Therefore, Station 2 has higher biodiversity in this area. This indicates that Station 2 is more stable compared to another station. Station 2 also has a complex food web and less environmental change because higher diversity and population on this area. Benthic community in Station 2 are more distributed compared to another station because the value of evenness is close to 1. In conclusion, physical factors such as temperature, salinity, DO, and water depth influence benthic community assemblies and abundance of benthos.